Good morning, OW Owls. Today is enrollment day for the 2020-2021 school year. We're going to start today with counselor introductions. My name is Natalie Schmidt-Konkel. I'm counselor for the seniors.
Hi, I'm Mr. Greg Castle, and I work with students grades 9 through 12 who have 504s and IEPs.
I'm Darian Hicks, and I am the sophomore counselor.
I'm Kim Wright. I'm the counselor for the junior class.
Robin Dietz, freshman counselor.
So this video that we're doing for you today will walk you through the steps on how to do enrollment for your classes for next year. This process is super important that you carefully consider your options before making your selections so that we can make sure to create the best master schedule for next year.
Your first hour teachers will be distributing worksheets to you shortly. Side 1 is your personal graduation check. This document shows you the credits that you have earned so far through your high school career. This will help you plan what courses you still need to take in order to meet your graduation requirements. Side 2 of this worksheet will need to be completed each hour today as you go through your day. Each hour you will record your class selections on this worksheet and in Student View for next year's core and elective classes. For example, you will select your English course during your current English class with assistance from your English teacher, math during your math class, science during your science hour, and so on. During your elective hours, you will be choosing your elective choices for next year. For math and science selections in particular, your teacher will be coming around to initial your worksheet.
Make sure you pay special attention to courses that are semester-long and those that are year-long courses. Year-long courses will be labeled with an A for first semester and a B indicating second semester. Semester courses count for 0.5 credit and year-long courses count for 1 credit. Remember to choose enough courses for a total of 7 credits. Just so you know, you will not be able to enroll in courses that require an application or tryout. For example, journalism, IPS, dance, cheer, and teacher aid. Choose an alternate course in its place, and counselors will add those selections later. Also, sophomores, make sure that you know you are required to enroll in a history class. That would either be U.S. History or AP U.S. History for next year.
At the end of the day, your 7th hour teacher will collect your completed worksheet. So make sure you sign up for a full 7 credits of coursework and 3 alternates. If you do not complete all of these requirements, courses may be chosen for you. Attention OATC students and seniors who plan to graduate early. You will still need to enroll in a full 7 credits of coursework at Olathe West. Again, everyone needs to enroll in 7 full credits.
An electronic copy of the program planning guide is posted on the main page of the website for your reference. Please take the time to carefully read through course descriptions when making your selections. In addition, to save time from reading through the entire program planning guide, there are additional documents to help with enrollment, including a list of courses that are offered at each grade level on the counseling website. Those worksheets can be very helpful, so definitely use that as your guide. I wanted to show you a few things on our counseling website. So from the Olathe West website, you can click on Counseling and Support Teams. And when you scroll down under Academic, you will find a tab for enrollment for current students. If you click on that tab, you're going to find everything you need for enrollment, including our program planning guide from the district. This program planning guide gives you descriptions of all of the classes that are offered in Olathe. Pages 12 and 13 in particular are pages that you should really pay attention to. These pages show you which classes count for which graduation requirements. So definitely take a look at that page. Next, a really important resource that you could be checking out is the worksheets that we have posted here. So for example, for sophomores, this is a worksheet that will show you which courses sophomores are eligible to take at Olathe West. So definitely use that to your advantage. Remember, you'll complete the enrollment worksheet on paper and enter your selections each hour on Student View. Here is a reminder of how to log in and enter your course selections in Student View. So let's navigate how to enter your course requests in Student View. Notice the website address up here at the top, studentview.olatheschools.com. When you come to this page, you will click on I am a student. From here, you will enter your username and your password. And that will bring you to your Student View, where you can see all of your grades, attendance. Hopefully you've looked at this before, but you'll find a new tab on there that says Course Request. So when you click on Course Request, that is going to bring you to this screen where we can enter the course request that you have put on your worksheet. So after you fill in your worksheet with your choices, after your teacher's recommendation, you will log into your Student View account. From here, you will click here to change course requests. And let's say that your first hour class is English. So from this pull-down menu right here under Department, you will find Language Arts. When you click on Language Arts, you're going to find all of the classes that are offered in that department. Let's say that you will be a sophomore next year and that you want to enroll in Honors English 2. So over here on the left-hand side, you're going to add that request for Language Arts 415A, which is first semester. But you also need to choose the Language Arts B section so that you have a full year of Honors English 2, as you can see up top here. So up top, it will keep a list of your selected courses, and here from the bottom will be where you choose those courses. So let's pretend that you're in Math second hour. You're going to go to Math under Department, and from here you're going to see your list of courses that are offered. Let's say that you're in Algebra 1 this year and you're ready for Geometry next year. So we're going to click Add Request to move Geometry A into your course requests. And we're going to choose right here Geometry B, so that's the second semester option. We're going to click that to add that into your course requests. So you are going to continue choosing classes throughout your day. You'll choose English during your English class, Math, Science, Social Studies, and your 3 electives for a total of 7 course selections. Now, if you find a course that you want to use as an alternate course, so let's say, for example, this student wants drawing as an alternate. Under Fine Arts, we see drawing right here, and we're going to click on Add Alternate. That will start the student's alternate choices. So notice right here they have a total of 0.5. You're required to have 3 alternate courses in here, so you'll see a total of 1.5 down here for the course requests. And we will touch base 7th hour. If anyone is having issues logging into Student View, help from Mrs. Kodo and Miss Mine is available at the tech table in the library this morning. Visit them to get your account set up so that you can enroll. Counselors are available through Teams chat as you have questions throughout the day. We'll see you back here 7th hour to wrap things up.